Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are making Today is the tutorial on how to make the Lego Kaaba. Here are the pieces you will need.
So these are some white pieces for the hatim and some gray pieces for the lamp and some yellow pieces for the door and for the lamp.
The yellow pieces are for the making
the top of the Kaaba.
The parts where it's a little bit written, right? Like over here it says. Yeah, that. Those are the pieces. And
here are the pieces for the door for the Kaaba, and here are the pieces for Maqam Ibrahim.
These are the pieces for building the Kaaba walls. We use 76 black pieces. We're using 76 black pieces, and here are the pieces for building the bottom of the Kaaba. And here are the pieces to make the top of the Kaaba.
And here is the base plate for the Kaaba.
This is a 32 by 32 base. Let's start building. Okay, so now we'll first make the Maqam Ibrahim. You really don't need to build it on this base. I'm just building on this so that it will be stable for me. Like that. So you will build it 2 times with that brick. And by the way, guys, we did not have these bricks. So what you could do is go to the Lego store and get these bricks from the Pick a Brick. If you do not have these in the Pick a Brick, you could go to our website and find those pieces on the website. Now you will take the 2 by 2 golden pieces and build them on top 2 times again. Like that. Then you will take a piece like this round one, and you will put it on like that. Then you will take the piece like this. This can be any color, and you put it down, and then you put it on. So now you are done building the Maqam Ibrahim. That's how you make the Maqam Ibrahim. Now I'm going to show you how to make the hatim. Now let's make the hatim. So to make the hatim, first you will take a piece like this. Again, I am just building it on this base right now so that it is stable for me. You take a 1 by 6 white and put it around, and you take a round piece in white and you put it around, and you put this piece again 1 by 6 again, and you put it around, and you take a piece like this again and put it around, and put this piece and put it here. Now we are going to make the little lights. So you take these 700 pieces and just put them at these corners right here at both sides. Then you take these pieces and put them on like that. And then take these yellow pieces and put them on so that they're lights. That is how you make the hatim. Okay, now everybody is probably really happy because now is the fun part. Now we're gonna make the main thing, that is the Kaaba. Yes, we are going to make the Kaaba right now. Okay, so first we are gonna make the box inside of it. So I'm gonna just put my camera here. So it's a little simple to see. We're gonna take this piece and put it here. Yeah, you can see over. Okay, so let's build this right now. Okay, so let's start. So first we're gonna take these pieces and you choose your Kaaba place. I'm gonna choose it right here. Like that. And we're gonna take then like this piece. So basically we're gonna make the base in gray. And I actually don't know the how big this base is. I'm gonna cut it right now. So this is a 14 by 14. Next we're gonna take pieces like this again and build them around. The brick side will be out. I'm just gonna do this in time zap right now. Okay, so I've built one layer of this color. Now I'm gonna build my second layer with these pieces. Okay, so now I'm done with making the around part of it. Now what we're gonna do is take pieces like this and put them around. But what if you don't have these pieces? Well, that's simple. All you have to do is take two pieces and put them on together and put them. These pieces can totally be in other colors because this will not really be shown. So yeah. So I'm just gonna do this in times up. Okay, now we need to use some yellow pieces to make the door for the Kaaba. Okay, now we need some pieces to make the black stone. So I'm using this piece which has the two studs at the sides. Let's put it like that. And then we'll take two of these silver pieces and put them at the sides over here. Like that. Let's continue building. Okay, now I have changed my camera view and now we are going to build. Now is the part where we will put pieces like this. You will put 2 by 2s, but I couldn't find the 2 by 2, so I found pieces like this. I bought these pieces from the Lego store as well. So this one will go here, and 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 this one will go here. Now let's continue filling these spaces with black. Also on the top, let's do it until here. Okay, now we're done with making the walls of the Kaaba, and we have the squares here. Now what we need to do is to make the top of the Kaaba. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, now you will take two pieces like this. These are 6 by 12 pieces. You put them together like that, and then you take like this piece and like this piece and like this piece and like this piece, making a piece like this. Then you take the 6 by 12 pieces again and put them on. Okay, once you're done with that, now you're going to take color. Now you can take pieces like this, they can be colorful, and leave a space of one side all around. So let's do this. Once you're done with that, you can start taking now you have to take this, your Kaaba, and put it here and put this over here. Like that. Once you're done with that, you can start taking yellow pieces and put them around. Now we will make Mizab Ahmad. So now we will take 1 by 4 yellow bricks and put it here, and we will take a 1 by 3 and a 1 by 1 and put it down like that, and we'll put it here, and we'll put a 1 by 1 here. This is the Mizab Ahmad. This is where the water will come out from. Now, what we have to do is start using bricks to build over. Like that. Let's do it. And now we are done with the Kaaba. How great is that? Now all we have to do is take him the Maqam Ibrahim and the pieces of Hatim and place it on its spot. And then we're done. Let's do this. So over here, as you can see, we have to leave one space of there, and then you just build the Hatim like I was showing. Like that. Like that. Now we're done with making the Hatim, and now we just have... Let's put on the Maqam Ibrahim. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay guys, now we make the Kaaba. How cool is this? Now remember, do not keep the Kaaba at a low place. Keep it at a high place because it needs to be most respected. Jazakallah khair.